Erudite. Having or containing a lot of knowledge that is known by very few people. Exculpate. To remove blame from someone. Exigent. Needing urgent attention, or demanding too much from other people. Extemporaneous. Done or said without any preparation or thought. Filibuster. To make a long speech in order to delay or prevent a new law being made. Fulminate. To criticize strongly. Ingenuous. Honest, sincere, and trusting, sometimes in a way that seems silly. Inured. If you become inured to something unpleasant, you become familiar with it and able to accept and bear it.